Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and opening the Shortcuts app. Once done, tap Automation to begin. You need iOS 13 or later and the Shortcuts app installed because older systems lack automation controls. Next, choose Personal Automation to create actions that run on your device. Pick a trigger now, time of day, arriving at a location, opening an app NFC tag, or asking Siri, and understand that this choice determines when and how the shortcut will activate. Once you've chosen a trigger, add and configure actions that perform the task. Tap Add Action, pick from apps or scripting, then chain steps. Order matters because Shortcuts runs top to bottom. Use if blocks and variables to handle different conditions and avoid repeats. Test frequently by tapping Run to verify outputs and required permissions. Make sure to grant access to photos, location, or contacts if prompted, since denied permissions will stop the shortcut from completing successfully. Now finalize activation settings. Decide whether Ask Before Running is on for safety or off for hands-free automation, then save. Add the shortcut to a home screen widget, assign a back tap, program an NFC tag, or record a Siri phrase so you can trigger it fast. If something goes wrong, check permissions, ensure network access for web actions, and inspect each action's output in the Details view. Correcting a single misconfigured input usually fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.